Welcome everyone to today's discussion. If you're an athlete, artist, or entertainer interested in working temporarily in the United States, the P visa might be the pathway you need. The P visa is a non-immigrant visa designed specifically for individuals with exceptional skills in athletics, arts, and entertainment. In this discussion, we'll go over the different types of P visas, the application process, requirements, and key details you need to know before applying. My name is Ebony Anoforo. I am an immigration attorney, and I work with clients in all 50 states and globally regarding immigration law matters. And on this channel, I share tips and important immigration information to help you become a better informed immigrant. The P-1A visa is designed for individual athletes who have achieved international recognition in their sport. To qualify, the athlete must be recognized not only in their home country, but also on a global level. This means that their reputation and accomplishments extend beyond national competition. In addition, the athlete must demonstrate sustained performance at an elite level. Their achievements must be significantly above what is considered ordinary in their sport. Another key requirement is that the athlete must be coming to the United States to participate in a specific competition or event. The visa is tied directly to that participation. The P-1A visa is typically granted for up to 5 years, with the possibility of extending it for an additional 5 years, depending on the athlete's continued career and participation in qualifying events. The P-1B visa is designed for entertainment groups that have achieved international recognition. To qualify, the group must have been performing together for at least 1 year. This requirement helps establish the group's ability and shared history as a unit. The group must also demonstrate sustained acclaim. This means they are recognized internationally for their excellence in the entertainment industry, not just on a local or national level. In addition, the group must be coming to the United States for a specific event or performance. Like other P visa categories, the purpose of travel must be clearly defined and tied to a particular engagement. Another important factor is the role of each member. Every member of the group must play a crucial role in the performance. Approval is not based solely on the group's reputation. The individual contributions of each member must also be essential to the group's overall performance. The P3 visa is designed for artists and entertainers who are coming to the United States to perform, teach, or coach as part of a program that is culturally unique. This category can include individuals such as folk artists, traditional musicians and dancers, and cultural educators, those who are deeply connected to a specific cultural tradition or heritage. The defining feature of the P3 visa is that the program itself must be culturally unique. This means the performance or activity represents a traditional, ethnic, folk, or cultural expression that is distinct and recognized as such. Additionally, the program should contribute to the understanding, development, or preservation of the art form. It is not just about performing, it is about promoting and sharing the cultural heritage behind the performance. The P4 visa is available to the spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 of individuals who hold a P1, P2, or P3 visa. The visa allows family members to accompany the principal visa holder to the United States during their authorized stay. In terms of duration, the P4 visa is valid for the same length of time as the principal P visa holder's status. However, there are important limitations. P4 visa holders are not authorized to work in the United States unless they apply for and receive separate work authorization. On the other hand, study is permitted. P4 visa holders may attend school on a full-time or part-time basis. Overall, this visa category ensures that families can remain together, allowing dependents to accompany the principal visa holder without being separated during their temporary stay in the United States. The process begins with petition filing. A U.S. employer or agent must file the Form I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as USCIS. Next is documentation. The petition must include supporting evidence such as contracts, event itineraries, and proof of international recognition or cultural significance, depending on the specific P visa category. Once the petition is submitted, USCIS will review the case. If approved, they will issue a Notice of Action, Form I-797, confirming that the petition has been approved. Applicants will then attend a visa interview where they will present all required documentation, answer questions about their purpose of travel and qualifications. If the visa is approved, the final step is entry to the United States, where the individual may participate in the specific event or program outlined in the petition. When applying for a P visa, there are several important factors to keep in mind. First, intent to return. Applicants must demonstrate that they intend to return to their home country after their temporary stay in the United States. The P visa is a temporary non-immigrant visa, so showing ties abroad is essential. Second, misrepresentation. Any false information or misrepresentation during the application process can lead to serious consequences, including a denial of the visa or even a revocation after it has been granted. And finally, compliance. P visa holders must strictly adhere to the terms and conditions of their visa, including engaging only in the approved activities and maintaining lawful status while in the United States. The P visa is an essential pathway for athletes, artists, and entertainers who wish to share their talents in the United States. Whether you're an individual athlete, part of a cultural unique program, or a member of an internationally recognized entertainment group, the P visa provides an opportunity to contribute meaningfully to the U.S. sports, arts, and entertainment industries. To ensure a smooth application process, it is important to fully understand the specific requirements for each P visa category and to submit thorough, well-documented evidence in support of your case. Because these applications can be complex, working with an experienced immigration attorney can help you navigate the process strategically and avoid common pitfalls. If you are considering applying for a P visa and want guidance tailored to your situation, scheduling a consultation can help you determine the best path forward and position your case for success. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.